How to assemble blank mask. First of all, you need part body and second part frame. Take one, take second. It has pin and hole. Click and click on another side. Second, you need to insert wizard. It have 3 pins on every side. Take second pin and put in a hole in the center. Click it and move your finger to click in each side. After that, you need to put your HEPA filter on this end. Just put it in a hole. You have 2 parts of shield, smaller and bigger. Smaller is the high part. Take center pin and put it in a special hole in the body. After that, you need to click center pin and move finger to click other pins. Bottom side, make some center pin to hold. Center pin in the visor and move fingers to pass it. So mask combined. Next, you need to assemble strap. I have 2 strap holders. Each of them have prints top and bottom. I recommend you to put these parts in second or third holes. It's for middle size head, but you can put it in first holes for big heads or for third holes for smaller head. So make so and open and hold and put it on pin. And on another side. So don't create free end of strap. I will be in the special hole for combined with my mask. It's okay. So tap logo, tap and tap text on the second part. So step is done. You can place strap without. You don't need to recombine visor. You can just set a strap holder like this and little tone, and in the other side. Good. Vertical. Put vertical and little tone. So mask is done. If you want to change HEPA filter, pull ends of shield, take finger in the hole and move to the click. So HEPA filter move by label and change it on you. So if you want to change a smaller filter, exhaust filter, pull on 3 ends of big shield. You need to pull this pin and take filter in this place. After that you just free this end, and filter will be on his place. Center pin, center hole, combine, click in the center, move finger one corner, 2 ends, and click, so just mask is done.